DIPR announces Manipur State Journalist Award winners. Sanalaibak Daily bags 6 out of 7 awards. MPCC pays tribute to former Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru on occasion of 134th birth anniversary. Former Chief Minister 𝐿𝐿𝐴 says children's future will be at stake if strife not resolved soon. And Meitei organizations in Assam register FIR at Silchar against author of Manipur Files. Hello Kurumjeri, this is Northeast Window and you're watching English News with me, Jessie THIYAM. Now the news in detail. Directorate of Information and Public Relations today announced the winners of the Manipur State Journalist Awards 2023 in 7 categories. The award winners are Robinson Wahengbam, staff reporter of Sanalaibak Daily in rural reporting, sub-editor Sanalaibak Daily, 𝗡𝗢𝗪𝗘𝗠 Biswajit in public health and hygiene reporting, staff reporter 𝐁𝐫𝐴 𝐿𝐿𝐴𝐬 Meitei for reporting with special reference to women and children. Shri Asem Chandrasekhar Singh, sub-editor Sanalaibak Daily, will be conferred with State Journalist Award in sports reporting. Staff reporter Sanalaibak Daily Mayabam Kennedy will be conferred with State Journalist Awards in 2 categories, namely reporting on earth and culture and parliamentary reporting. While the reporting for science and technology, the award will be conferred on staff reporter Sanalaibak Daily 𝐿𝐴𝐸 Meitei. For this year, the panel of judges did not nominate anyone for the category of Best Editor Award on National Integration and Communal Harmony, since there is only 1 entry in the category and it is devoid of any competition. The awards will be distributed to the awardees on National Press Day observance to be held at Darbar Hall of Chief Minister's Secretariat on 16th November. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee paid tribute to the first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, on the occasion of his 134th birth anniversary today. MPCC President 𝐂𝐢𝐯𝐿𝐴, Congress Legislature Party Leader 𝐿𝐿𝐴𝐸 and Congress Working Committee Member 𝐁𝐫𝐤𝐚𝐬𝐿 were among the dignitaries present at the solemn event held at Congress Bhavan on BT Road today. Speaking on the occasion, former Chief Minister 𝐿𝐿𝐴𝐸 said, "The ongoing strife has left children, who are the future pillar of the society, traumatized," and expressed grave concern that the future of the children, who are made the primary victims of the conflict, are at stake. Referring to the state government's announcement to construct permanent houses for the displaced people, 𝐿𝐴𝐸 said that the big question as to whether these big houses will be constructed at their own native villages still remains.
Manipur ki tungi asasi karai da nor mayam puna mona hamnari sini. Sarkar sinbir do well and good. Leriba relief ki amda displaced oina inmate oina leriba mayam se. Makhoi ki permanent house sabirani ado angam mamateng pangbirang. We are appreciate. Adu karai da saga do no. Amuk temporary ni hare ngak ki khallaga temporary sanam ni hare kudak ki shelter law pinanam ne na pare ado hujik na amuk permanent haibadi permanent si hujik mayam intellectual circle degi hangnaba hori do ne ba sarkar na sinbiri ba permanent housing sarani haribise moina hana displaced family sing lo hana leiramba churchampur da oiba yai more da oiba yai imphal da oiba yai moina hana leiramba mafam du da masi akhoina haijabai wanate ko intellectual circle degi bhoba machin thora abane permanent housing sabine na sarkar na sing lang is phare karai do no moi ki han original place to dara akhoi mayam hena khangbiramni relief kem da akhoi chatpa matam da ki draga es hanoi mafam da akhoi amuan pusan biranu akhoi karai do no permanent settlement ama majaga ama pibiro haidi ba moi nupi macha sing maroina angang sing sini heli akhoi hanagi permanent site da akhoi karam matam da pusan biga da gi haibasi angang khode mangna leriba relief kem de leriba mayam puna maksina hangbang hakta neba.
President of MPCC 𝐂𝐲𝐬𝐿 contended that the ongoing war is not between two nations, but between two communities in a state. The inaction and failure of the government in handling the crisis, has caused extreme hardship to the people. Urging the authority concerned to ensure the rule of law is implemented in the state, he further called upon the government to resolve the crisis and bring a solution at the earliest.
Civil society organization Praja section Kudimak Awaba Nangaba displaced person Mayam Nangasi Manipur ki Santi Hanjanaba Adagi Labam Mankiba Mayam Labor Namnaba Magi Mapam the Hanjalanaba Honaba the Lauriba demand se Labaka Sida state Sida Tuiba violence se country Amaga Topa war nati State Amagi Manung the Topa Todokwa Tokse Masi Nakpungam the Bahibase Praja Sinki right Hak Mayam Sing Mangan Base Masi Hanjal Handanaba Lamyanba Haibatai Bharat ki democracy adagi science and technology ki industry ki adagi space ki adagumba lusingba ngasigi mahaki mapok lumisida amukka hana sarkarda appeal taujari Manipur da Santi Hanjal Hanbiyo Manipur da solution Lakhanbiyo state amagi manungda khundamineriba mayam khanabani masigi sole responsibility daitadi sarkar asini atopa civil society organization parja punamak nate masigi responsibility di laingak asini sarkar asini BJP gi laingak asini maramaduna hanjalanbiyo Santi matam kuiman khre.
Society for Meitei's Chamber of Commerce and All Assam Meitei's Women Protection and Development Committee have lodged an FIR with Silchar Sadar Police Station against the book Manipur Files authored by Pranabananda Das for allegedly projecting Meitei community in a derogatory manner. The FIR was reportedly lodged after the two organizations had warned that legal actions will be taken against the author if he failed to provide a clarification for allegedly spreading misleading information about the Meitei community. General Secretary of Meitei's Chamber of Commerce Assam, 𝐿𝐸𝐸 Singha said, a press meet was held in this regard at Society for Meitei Chamber of Commerce Hall of Silchar, Kasar and Assam today. Members of Society for Meitei Chamber of Commerce and All Assam Meitei's Women Protection and Development Committee attended the press meet. 𝐿𝐸𝐸 further said, an FIR has been lodged with Sadar Police Station, Kasar against the author of Manipur Files, Pranabananda Das, for allegedly depicting Arambai Tengol, Meitei Lipun, Mayapaibi and the whole Meitei community in a bad light in his book. Legal action will be soon taken up against the author, 𝐿𝐸𝐸 said.
Manipur Files Author,
Governor of Manipur, 𝐂𝐸𝐸 extended greetings to the people of Manipur, especially the women folks on the auspicious occasion of 𝐁𝐫𝐴 Festival 2023. In her message, the governor said, 𝐁𝐫𝐴 rejuvenates family ties and strengthens the bonds of love and affection between brothers and sisters, mothers and daughters, and fathers and daughters, helping in promotion of unity and integrity in the society. She also expressed hope that the festival will be celebrated in its true spirit with the involvement of different communities in the state to bring peace, prosperity, and peaceful coexistence amongst all. Chief Minister N. Biren also greeted the people of the state, especially the women folk, on the auspicious occasion of 𝐁𝐫𝐴. In his message of greetings, the Chief Minister said the state is blessed with God-gifted natural beauty. He said that the state is a melting pot of multiple communities who reside together. However, the past few months have been tumultuous for all of the people, with a few vested interested groups attempting to destroy the fabric of social cohesion of the communities. It is now time for all the people to restore old ties and strengthen bonds, the Chief Minister said. He continued that 𝐂𝐤𝐷𝗎 celebrates the unbreakable bond of love between brothers and sisters. It promotes the feeling of harmonious social life by indulging in sharing of gifts and blessings. He expressed the wish that 𝐂𝐤𝐷𝗎 motivates the people to strive for togetherness and appeal to the people of the state to reaffirm, to rekindle the flame of unity and oneness amongst the different communities and to live as one. Now let us take a short break. We'll be right back.
Years of trusted diagnostic service, Babina Diagnostics.
Welcome you all to UNAPA School Chanum, Imphal East, a fully residential school ranked Manipur #1 in All India School Ranking Awards 2023-24 by Education World in Co-Education Boarding School category. Academic session for 2024-25 will begin on 1st April 2024. Registrations are open for classes 4 to 9. Hurry up for registration.
Diabetes ko loina na hinglibasing tha magi manungda control to bangamle. Urea creatinine wangbasu tha magi manungda hanthaba ngamle. Khong hamba nungaitabasu numit manganigi manungda fahan bangamle. Pile saibadi nungsang nabasu chama da chama fahan bangamle. Cholesterol wangba numit kunida normal oy bangamle. BP wangbasu tha amagi manungda normal oy bangamle. Fatty liver oibasu tha amagi manungda fagat han bangamle. Pumnamak natural oiba hidak makalna laing jabani. Hakchang da sokadaba side effect amata laite. Makhata na hidak chamagi mathausu tararoi. Ena kupa parol hidamak ngasimak langsin birau Diabetes Hospital Soibam Laikai Ayampali Road opposite Karkinos Jennings Hospital Porompat Imphal East near Punjab National Bank.
Welcome back. As part of the initiatives taken up for the welfare of farmers, 𝐂𝐤𝐷𝗎 Progress Farmers Association organized a farmer awareness cum seeds distribution on Rubby crops program for selected farmers of Imphal East District at the premises of 𝐁𝐫𝐸 Boys High School today. Speaking on the occasion, President of CCSK Jitendra Ningomba said, the fields of 𝐂𝐤𝐷𝗎 will remain green when the concerned departments work by keeping frequent communication with the farmers. Taking part in the program, 𝐁𝐫𝐸𝐬 stressed that self-reliance and the sense of independence will come only when the economic status of the farmers are improved with increase in agricultural yields. 𝐶𝐤𝐸𝐸 Farmers Wing, in association with District Officer Horticulture and Soil Conservation Department Imphal West, distributed Rubby crops to 60 selected farmers of Sangaital and Imphal West District today. An awareness program for the farmers was also held on the occasion. Co-convener of 𝐶𝐤𝐸𝐸 Farmer Wing and Irabot District Horticulture Department Officer P. Pramo and Assistant Officer Agriculture Department Paris were among those present at the program. Speaking on the occasion, co-convener of 𝐶𝐤𝐸𝐸 Farmers Wing Ningthom Bam Irabot said, the ongoing war is waged by Jinkuki narco-terrorists after planning it for a long time. He continued that despite fighting the war, people at relatively safer places must continue to work for life, must go on, and urged people of the state to work together for a self-reliant state. Irabot further called upon the people to make the best out of Rubby crops distributed today as part of the initiatives taken up by 𝐂𝐿𝐴 to build a self-reliant Manipur.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯈꯪꯍꯧꯗꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯍꯥꯟ ꯃꯈꯩ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯀꯣꯃꯤꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯟꯖꯔꯝꯃꯤꯕꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯂꯥꯟꯁꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯉꯩ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗꯗꯤ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯂꯕ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤ ꯏꯁꯇꯦꯠꯇ ꯄꯨꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯂꯕ ꯏꯁꯇꯦꯠꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯒ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯃꯥꯏꯌꯣꯟꯗ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯜꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯄ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯏꯃꯥ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯦ ꯈꯣꯡꯊꯥꯡ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯄꯨꯈꯠꯆꯔꯝꯕ ꯑꯗꯣꯝꯗ ꯆꯦꯟꯖꯔꯝꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ इखंग खंगौदना होगिबा मेगी थादगी लांजिबुदि अखोइगी ममांग था मरी मंगागी ममांगदगी होरकोबनि तसेना कुकी की हौरइबा लांजिदि तसेना ngarang nahangi कथसु नते मसिदि कोइना हाइबा ngomdabudु ngasiदगी जहि कुन कुथ्रा ममांगदगी मोगी प्लानिंग अमग लोइनना सथरखिबस करम कादा हौजिगे न मोगी ngaibगी तरन मखक लेरकबसिदा करिगुम खुदोंग अमखक मोन खुदोंग चाब अमखक फंगबदगी अखोइगी मे थासिदगी हौरखिबनि निंगथमदा चंगकपसिदा कोई ऑफिस की वही नसु तसेंगना हायरबदा चाही अमदा अनिरक हाइबता है निंगथम थागी रबी वेजिटेबल सीट अमदी खरीफ कोई समर की कालेंदा थाबिया बमरुमरांग अनि थोंगना चाही अमदा दुम पिजै हाइता है अदो तसेंगनदी मसी पीरिबा वेजिटेबल सीट इंसान नापीगी मरुमरांग सिंग अछि कोई सेंट्रल स्पॉन्सर्ड स्कीम मिशन फॉर इंटीग्रेटेड डेवलपमेंट ऑफ हॉर्टिकल्चर हाइना सेंट्रल स्पॉन्सर्ड स्कीम अमा लई मदुगी मखादा पिजबने तसेंगना मसी पीबसिसु अखोइगी नियम खरा लई हाइबा तारे तसेंगना हाबिनिंग फार्मर सिंगना कोइदा अप्रोच तौबिरागा ऑफिस ता लाक्बिरागा मरी लैनाबा डॉक्यूमेंट ना चिंबा सबमिट तौरगा अदुगी मतुंगदा थागदरिबा बेनिफिशियरी सिंग से कोइना सिलेक्शन तौई अदुगी मतुंगना मतमगी मरुमरांग आइदर इंथमदा गी बोरो नत्रगा कालेन थागी बोरो तमाइना पिजबने.
Just after the report of a blazing inferno that reduced properties worth 1 crore rupees to ashes at 𝐶𝐺𝐵 last midnight, another unfortunate fire incident occurred at 𝗡𝗢𝗪𝗡𝗠𝗡, where a shop owned by one 𝐂𝐿𝐴 𝐵𝐵 was reduced into cinders by a raging fire last night. The fire incident took place around 9 p.m. last night at 𝐿𝐴𝐪𝐵 Fish Center. 𝐂𝐿𝐴 𝐵𝐵 is the owner of the shop, while 𝐿𝐴𝐪𝐵 rented the shop to run the fish center. A fire tender team of Manipur Fire Service managed to contain the fire from spreading to neighboring structures before it was finally doused. The cause of the raging fire is still unknown. With the influence of Hindu in Manipur, the Meitei Hindus embraced the profound influence of Hindu traditions by magnificently observing Goon Puja, with a distinctive ritual wherein the Meitei Hindu community enthusiastically participated in feeding cows. However, with the dwindling number of rearing cows coupled with the scarcity of suitable grazing spaces, the diminishing presence of domestic animals, particularly cows, and with the change in Meitei community, Goon Puja is now celebrated in a more subdued manner among the Meitei Hindus. Additionally, in areas where ample space allows for the rearing of cows, Goon Puja festivities can be seen by feeding and honoring the sacred animal. In Bishnupur district, the timeless tradition of performing rituals for cows continues in some places. Following these sacred ceremonies, a symbolic transition unfolds as the cows, blazed through the rituals, are tenderly handed over to the care of the cow herd. On the other hand, on this day, a noticeable decline is observed in the offerings of rice and fruits at the temple, marking a shift in traditional practices. The two-day Dhanmanjari University Inter-College Table Tennis Tournament 2023 concluded yesterday with remarkable performances from both boys and girls. Hosted at the GP Women's College, the Dhanmanjari University Inter-College Table Tennis Tournament 2023 saw active participation from various eminent institutes within the DM University cluster, including DM College of Science, DM College of Arts, DM College of Commerce, LMS Law College, and DMU-PG. DMU-PG emerged as the undisputed champions in both the boys and girls categories. Before we end, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. DIPR announces Manipur State Journalist Award winners. Sanalaibak Daily bakes 6 out of 7 awards. MPCC pays tribute to former Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru on occasion of 134th birth anniversary. Former Chief Minister 𝐂𝐲𝐰𝐬 says children's future will be at stake if strife not resolved soon. And Meitei organizations in Assam register FIR at Silchar against author of Manipur Files. And that is all we have for now, but for more news updates, keep watching Northeast Window News.